In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Woocommerce coupon with Klaviyo. Once you are logged into your Klaviyo account, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you will find most of the tools you use to build and manage content. From that sidebar, go into Content and then select Coupons. This area is where Klaviyo stores coupon sets you can use in campaigns and flows, including coupons you upload or generate for e-commerce platforms like Woocommerce. On the Coupons page, move your attention to the top right corner. Click Create Uploaded Coupon. This option is used when you want to bring in coupon codes that already exist on your store side and then manage and distribute them through Klaviyo. It is a good choice when you want full control over the exact codes being sent out. Next, you will enter a coupon name. Think of this as an internal label that helps you recognize the offer later. Use something clear and descriptive, like a simple welcome discount name. This name should be easy to identify when you are selecting coupons for an email or automation. After naming the coupon, set the minimum coupon count. This setting is important because it helps ensure you have enough unique codes available to send to your audience. In other words, you want to avoid running out of coupons while a campaign or flow is still active. A helpful tip is to estimate how many recipients might qualify for the offer and then add a buffer so you are covered. Then set your expiration. You can choose an expiration after a certain amount of time, such as after 1 year, or you can set it to expire on a specific date. Pick the option that matches your promotion. If this is an ongoing welcome incentive, a longer expiration can reduce support issues. If it is a limited time sale, a specific date keeps the offer consistent and prevents late redemptions. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon. Klaviyo will save it, and it will be ready to use in your messaging. At this point, you can share it by inserting the coupon into your emails or automations, so subscribers receive the discount code as part of your marketing. And that covers everything you need to know.